Okay, so I'm filming now with the S1 camera. I have it set up here on a tripod. 2 legs on the ground in the footwell and the other one on the seat. So it's it's not ideal. If I hit the brakes, the camera's gonna go into the dash. Look at that sky. That is really nice. I like that. So I'm driving along a little coastal road here to an island called Tawin Island. Now it's not fully an island because there's a road that goes out onto it, but it's on the innermost part of Galway Bay. It's quite remote. There's not a whole lot going on here, but it can be good for birding because you get a lot of stuff passing in and out. I see some Brent geese here. This time I'll shoot through the window first. Hello guys. They're beautiful. Just photographed some pipits at the side of the road over a wall. They're a very sort of unemphatic bird. Unfortunately, DJI Go 4 has stopped. That's not good. Oh my God. Time for a cup of tea. Oh, you bastard. Strong. Saw some Brent geese landing over there. Okay, I'm just spilling this now. The aesthetic has been captured. I'll go behind the car. So I saw a flock of small waders flying very erratically. I couldn't get any decent pictures. I see more of them over there. I thought it might be a falcon on the hunt. I'd give anything to see a gur falcon. I'm sure there's been gur falcons here before, but I don't think there's anything been reported. But it's definitely possible to see a peregrine or a merlin. Okay, it's time to try a bit of digi-scoping once again. So now I've got a seagull down there. And now I'm going to get a photograph. I can honestly say that the scope is decent quality when you look through it, and it's a brilliant assistance to birding. I'd be lost without it, but the results I get with this digiscoping device are not great. They're not great. Okay, so now let's see what filming him in 4K looks like comparing to the digiscope. So we'll go right in. So it's further out, but it's a much nicer image. So our herring gull here is just basically feeding amongst the grass, amongst the weed. He would have loved if I gave him some sardines from a tin or something. Maybe next time I'll bring a treat for them and see can I get them to come up close to me. Someone on a horse over there. Some day for horse riding. Oh my God. Oh. Jesus. If you're getting into bird photography, number one tip is always, before you even leave the house, get the camera ready. Because you're going to get into your car and you're going to see something and you're going to want to get a photograph of it and your camera will not be ready. I guarantee you, it's the most frustrating thing. Yeah. Oh. A shag. Sounds funny. think I'm going to get a quick landscape photo here. It is absolutely freezing outside. I cleaned my boots in the puddle while I was at it. My boots need washing. There's not really much I can do here because it's so flooded. Normally I drive down this road to the end and I can get a nice look out onto the lake. But today it's obviously very restricted with this flooding. So I just flew the drone there and I was enjoying flying because I haven't been flying much lately, and as soon as I started fooling about, the rain came. Nothing like a good hot cup of tea. Because of the flooding, there's swans everywhere. There's a difference between city swans and country swans. These are all country swans. They're a little bit more, shall I say, apprehensive of human contact. Again, I'll do a little bit of video. These are mute swans. They're a beautiful bird, but they're not native Irish. If you want to get a proper Irish swan, you need to find a whooper swan. The problem with taking photographs against the light like that, against a big white sky like that, is that the bird will just be completely silhouetted and it won't be a nice image. Now you can really up the blacks in post-production and you can, try and crush the sky a little bit, but inevitably it's just not a well-lit image. It's backlit, it's silhouetted, not nice. Okay, I have a lovely big cock pheasant. See, can I get a photo of him? Beautiful bird. Okay, so this is my last port of call here at the little roadside here in Oranmore. It's getting very dark now, so I'm probably going to have to pack things up and call it a day. But a few days ago I actually saw a falcon here called a merlin, a male merlin falcon, and he was perched on one of the posts over there. I didn't get any images, I just spotted him with the scope. So I was hoping that I could see him again today, but I do not see him. And even if I did, I'd really struggle to get an image. So I think that's all from me today. Thanks for watching the bird vlog, folks. I hope it is to your liking, whether you're a birder or whether you're... Oh, that's not good. Whether you're a bird watcher or whether you're just interested in getting into it or whatever. As always, get involved in the comments below. drop a note and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. So for myself, Hugh Sweeney, from the Bird Vlog, it's over and out for me. Until next video, take care.